Hello everyone, today we're showing you how to get Photoshop CS6, one of the best photo editing tools, for completely free, no price at all. So let's get right into it. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go to Google Chrome or any other internet browser that you may use. You want to go to this link that I got up here, also be in the description. Go to that link. It's going to look different for me, like the Vegas Pro tutorial, because if you watch the Vegas Pro tutorial last video I made, that is, it's going to look different because I'm logged in, but it'll be a download screen. You just want to hit download. You'll get this file with basically the license number and the setup file. So once you downloaded it and it's on your desktop, you can close Chrome. You should have a file like this. Do not know what's happened to my screen, but you want to go into this file. Let me drag it over. Yeah, and you'll have the setup and serial number, well, the license number, setup.exe. You want to run, yeah, go through all the part, accept the agreement, choose where you want to install it. If you want to create a start menu folder, that is, and a desktop icon, and then this is where you get your license key. So you go into this file. Let me drag this open also. There you go. So you want to copy this, go back to your setup, enter it, it'll verify, and then you can just install. I'm going to cancel it because I already got it installed, but that's how you get Photoshop CS6 completely for free. So I hope you liked this video, hope it helped. Comment below if it did, like the video, and also make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.